So that couple that biked past me stopped on the bridge, and I'm on the bridge, and said, hey, there's a nice gator up there on the beach, which is fantastic, except, oops, sorry. I can't see my finger. That, let me get down so I don't fall. That right there is my trail. Well, I just may take another trail. Detour. Look, there's a bench. Okay, you knew I had to come at least down here and look at it. It's like framed. I'm definitely not going any further. I guess the gator wins, because I am definitely not going down there. So I'm going on a different area. So the best part of this whole video with the gator is I dropped my trekking pole and just screamed really loud because I thought something was coming to get me. There's a family fishing over there. Two men with two little kids that are like 3 and 5 years old. That was really super cute. So this is everything from before, only backwards. Just wanted to show the bridge that I made out to be so scary coming from the other way. It's funny that the sun is shining so brightly as I cross it. It's safe enough that a guy on a bike just went over it. Funny how your mind can play tricks on you. So I didn't get water at that last little spring. I got it here at this place where I was before, where it's really super duper cute. So this is what my water looks like. I'm going to put my filter on top and then I can drink it. So this is just really the walk back. Oh, dang it. I was trying to get him on video. That was a very large gator going back into the water, which is what that last one should have done and did not. Which is why I chose to find a different route. Okay, so I just passed this guy on a bike and he said there's a huge gator on the bank. I don't see that, but I do see one in the water. Maybe it went in the water. Oh, wow. Let's see if I can get up there. He's on the bank and the water. Yeah, he's long. We'll see what happens as we walk by him. He's not going to care, I'm pretty sure. See if he sinks his head any further. Nah, you don't care. He's got the best of both worlds here. Sun and water. I'm gonna say he's at least 8 feet. Yeah. He's pretty big. Look at that pretty green tree. I don't like which one. Both of them. I guess all of them. Alright. Well, I'm gonna walk on. He's probably hoping I fall. He's like, lunch. Look at that shenanigans. I think that's planned. I wonder how many hikers have fallen in right here. And he's like, lunch. Every day at 1 o'clock. Just kidding. It's not that atrocious. There's a way around right here. I was being silly. This is why it's taking me so many hours to hike so little miles, because I keep finding stuff. Alright, I gotta get going. Okay, so I am there. I'm almost back. I'm just gonna kind of walk to the road and then walk the roadway and back into the parking lot. This little big Econ just really has such an amazing trail system. You could just be here for days. That's why I'm definitely going to come back here and camp. So, alright, I'm going to keep hiking. Yep, you look handsome. See you later. This is the last little bit. Very, very last bit. This is where that bridge is, where you kind of like ducked in to the woods. This is it. So I walk down the road like 3 blocks, and then there's a parking lot, and that's where my car is. It's very hot. There's no shade. I left a cold Propel in my car, so I'm pretty excited for when I get back. I'll have hopefully something semi-cold to drink. I'm so tired. So I'm back into the parking lot. Here I am. I just gotta crawl through the fence, and there's my car over there. And that's it. Oop.